How to create labels in Google Docs. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Then open a new blank document. Next, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then choose Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Avery Label Merge and press Enter. From the results, click on Create and Print Labels. Then click Install. You may be asked to select your Google account and allow the necessary permissions. Just follow the prompts. Once it's installed, go back to your document. Click on Extensions again, find Avery Label Merge and click Create Labels. A sidebar will appear on the right. From there, you can select the label brand and product number. Choose the right size of labels depending on what you are printing. Now you can enter your label content manually or connect to a spreadsheet if you are doing a mail merge. You can customize the text, format it, and even preview how the labels will look. When you are done, click on Merge to generate the labels. Google Docs will create a new document with your label layout ready to print. This method is perfect for making address labels, name tags, product labels, and more. And that's it. Now you know how to create labels in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.